5 big swing states, all with Democrat governors, and suddenly the vote counting stops in all 5 states at the very same time. 3 hours later, the systems are fired back up. Joe Biden receives hundreds of thousands of votes. Not one goes to Donald Trump. Just look at Michigan. When the system came back online early Wednesday morning, 138,339 ballots, representing just about 3% of the turnout in Michigan, all go to Joe Biden. You can see Donald Trump's numbers do not change. He did not receive a single vote. This oddity in 5 states changed everything. Look at Wisconsin as well. It too saw a massive vote jump for Joe Biden. So we compared the registered voters in Wisconsin to the actual voters. Of the 3.6 million registered to vote in Wisconsin, 3.3 million actually did. That is a whopping 90% participation rate. 90%. Again, in America, that's unheard of when we saw a record-setting 66% voter turnout nationwide last week. Did all of those people in Wisconsin actually cast their own vote, or were their votes manipulated? It is certainly a valid question and worth investigating, but the Democrats are doing everything they can to block transparency and inspection.
We then began to look and we realized how easy it is to change votes. The software is so bad you can easily change the audit trail so that later you cannot even forensically go back and find out the votes that were changed.
Allied Security, a company that has done election integrity work for the state of Kentucky, believes the nation's election system is so vulnerable, even the voter audit trail can be manipulated.
In our investigation, we found ways to change your votes there at the voting place. We found ways to change the tabulation software itself. I'm going to show you an example of that in Kentucky in a minute. We found ways to change the database itself. We found ways to go into both of these and change the software that they have that again gets loaded into the equipment here, that goes to the equipment here.
Why is the media not talking about this? I want you to watch what happens in this video from 2019, where the Kentucky governor's race gets updated in real time on the CNN screen. Watch this.
This is some amazing video that you're seeing from CNN.
Notice there that CNN cut away from the update immediately when the Democrat, Andy Beshear, has 673,948 votes to Matt Bevin's 235,000 votes. Now watch when we back up the video and freeze the frame. Beshear goes to 674,508 votes, and Matt Bevin loses 560 votes, taken away from him. Now, if that happened in 2019, you better believe that it can happen today. In fact, last night on this program, we told you about Donald Trump losing a total of 10,000 votes from 3 Pennsylvania counties at the exact same moment. Suspicious, to say the least.